The Bitcoin halving has occurred, and the market has dropped because the expected miracle didn't happen. The joy of $1,700 per Bitcoin has turned into a fear and uncertainty. Many started shouting that it's time to sell everything while others are waiting for a huge rise. There is no point in arguing about where the price will go. What's important is how to make money from it. I will tell you about 5 coins that should grow within 6 months. At least 3 of them will double in value. This is not financial advice, just my thoughts. Coin number 1, Aerodrome. Currently you can buy it for just over $1, which is the most generous discount you could get. A similar project is Uniswap. At its peak, Uniswap reached $42, and even during the second wave, it exceeded $30. There is no reason why we wouldn't see Aerodrome at $5–10 per coin. Aerodrome is one of the few tokens launched fairly. It had no venture investors and can be purchased on BingX. There is a link in the description under this video to the exchange and a video guide showing how to register, make a deposit and make your first purchase in 6 minutes. Recently, Aerodrome released an update called Slipstream, and the price has only fallen since then. I am convinced these are the last day we will see this token at such a low price, and the next price will be very sharp. The only downside is its already high market capitalization, exceeding $360 million, with over 1 billion coins issued. This means significant investments will be required for growth, but with the success of Coinbase, it's quite possible to reach $2–3 per token. Coin number 2, Seamless. Its market capitalization is just under 70 million, and you can buy it on BingX, linked in the description. Why is this important? Many new crypto investors don't know how to manage wallets like Uniswap or MetaMask. If it's already on centralized exchange, that's a plus. The more people invest in it, the higher its value. While the market cap is relatively small, you have a better chance to earn significantly. This may sound like a pyramid scheme, but it's actually safe. This project started as a platform for lending basic assets, and was also released without venture investors. Seamless collaborates with Uniswap, Coinbase, MarketDAO, and others. They have a strong team, no early major investors, and no huge initial sale. So I believe in this project. When Seamless first released its token, it surpassed $50, and I think now it can grow to $15–20. More coins with growth potential within 1–2 months are shown in my free Telegram channel, link in the description. Project with future potential. Ondo. The CEO of BlackRock, Larry Fink, made one of the most revolutionary statements. ETF is just a step towards the tokenization of the world. Bitcoin ETF is like a bank issuing Bitcoin shares that ordinary people can buy without registering on an exchange. In cryptocurrency, all operations happen on a public network, which everyone can verify. This is very important because in traditional banks you cannot see all the transaction information. There is also a special system that evaluates you by your credit rating or tax returns. There are too many unnecessary steps in this system, and cryptocurrency helps us avoid them. I believe that in the future the whole world will be tokenized. Even real estate purchase can be easily verified on the blockchain. One project related to this is Ondo. Ondo is building the next generation of financial infrastructure to increase market efficiency, transparency, and accessibility. Ondo has one of the largest ETF funds, BlackRock, and many other well-known financial companies as partners, including Goldman Sachs as their leader. But the only drawback is its market capitalization of $1 billion, making it potentially too late to invest in it. Significant growth will be hard to achieve since another $1 billion in investments will be needed to double its value. However, it's very safe because even when Bitcoin isn't stable, Ondo doesn't fluctuate much and even grow by 4% last week. In this area, I found two more projects with similar names, Truflation and TrueFi. TrueFi is available for purchase on BingX, with a market cap of just under $130 million. During the last crypto bull, it was worth 70 cents, which means there is a potential for a 7-fold increase if it returns to its previous maximum. Recently, TrueFi announced plans to launch a lending platform called Trinity. Trinity will allow users to take crypto credits using tokenized real-world estates and other income-producing assets as collateral. This news boosts confidence in its growth potential with market conditions improve. But if you had to choose between Truflation and TrueFi, I would choose Truflation. I believe Truflation has higher growth potential. Here are several reasons why. First, Truflation is one of the first projects funded by the core ecosystem. It's now priced just about 20 cents. My prediction is that in this crypto growth cycle, Truflation will be worth at least a couple of dollars. The second reason is the focus on decentralized infrastructure for real-world assets. Coinbase, Chainlink, and Laser Digital already support Truflation. In this new trend of tokenizing real-world assets, Truflation will be the bridge connecting the real world and the digital. The third reason, relation to inflation. If you scroll down their website, you will see a comment from CEO Brian Armstrong. Truflation is a decentralized service that tracks inflation. Truflation is a truly amazing project, so we support Truflation. One thing is certain, trust in governments is declining every year. For political reasons, the government may benefit from presenting statistics in a certain light. Truflation helps avoid this. Thanks you all for your attention. And don't forget that all links are in the description. Bye.